Most MacBook users have no idea when their battery's about to die, but there's a hidden menu that tells you exactly how much life your battery has left. Welcome to GAD Insider, your go-to for the latest tech news. One of the most useful but hidden features on your MacBook is that every owner should know to check your battery health, and it takes only 30 seconds. All you have to do is hold down the Option key and click the Apple logo in the top left. Select System Information, then go to Hardware, then Power. Look for Cycle Count under Help Information. This number shows how many times your battery has been cycled. Apple also tells you the maximum cycle count for your specific MacBook model. For example, the latest M5 MacBook Pro can handle around 1,000 cycles. If your count is only 150, you still have plenty of life left. But remember, one full charge from 0 to 100% does not equal one cycle. Apple counts a cycle based on the total power used. For example, drain 50% today and charge, that's half a cycle. Drain another 50% tomorrow, and that completes one full cycle. This is why heavy users see their cycle count rise faster. But the macOS is smart about this. If you're using the latest macOS, go to System Settings, then Battery, and turn on Optimized Battery Charging. This keeps your battery at 80% most of the time and only charges to 100% when you need it. It dramatically slows down battery wear. You also see your battery's condition here, whether it's normal, service recommended, or service now. Maximum capacity shows how much charge your battery can actually hold compared to when it was new. Bad habits like always using Mac till 0% or leaving it plugged in at 100% all the time will kill your battery faster. So it's better to use optimized charging and check your cycle count every few months. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to GAD Insider, and hit the bell icon for more useful Mac tips and hidden features.